All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to break down a really popular guide on how you can land a full time, non voice work from home job, even if you've got zero experience. We're going to walk through the opportunity, who it's for, and the exact strategy the source recommends to get you hired. So, does this sound familiar? You're on the hunt for that perfect remote job, something full time where you can really use your skills, but you're just not a phone person, right? Maybe you just much rather handle things over email and chat. If you're nodding your head right now, then this explainer is definitely for you. The company we're going to be focusing on today is called Magic. Now, according to our source, they're known for hiring people who don't have that direct, virtual assistant experience, which makes it a fantastic gateway for anyone looking to kickstart their career online. So, what's the big deal with this opportunity anyway? Let's get into the specifics of what the role is really like, and, of course, the rewards that come with it. Now, this right here is super important. The source makes it really clear Magic is not a BPO, and that's a huge difference. Instead of working for a local team lead, you get matched directly with an executive or a startup somewhere out there in the world. So the key thing to remember is your boss is the client. It means you're a real part of their team, not just some person handling one small isolated task. And now for the part everyone wants to know about, the money. The source says you could earn anywhere from 50,000 to 70,000 pesos a month. I mean, for a job that's open to people without experience, that is a very, very attractive number. Your final rate will usually depend on your skills and the specific client you get matched with. But look, it's about so much more than just the paycheck. This is a 100% work from home gig. You're getting real, direct experience with US executives. That's huge for your resume. You'll also learn to use all the latest tools like ChatGPT and different CRMs, which keeps your skills sharp. Honestly, think of it as a launchpad. You're building a portfolio here that could set you up for a massive freelance career down the road. The one thing to keep in mind, though, is that it's mostly night shift work to sync up with US hours. Okay, so we know what the job is and what it pays. The next big question is, are you a good fit? Let's take a look at the key traits the source says are absolutely essential to succeed here. So, what are they really looking for? It's probably not what you think. It has less to do with a fancy degree or a specific job title, and a whole lot more to do with who you are and how you think. The source really boils it down to these 5 things. First, are you a problem solver? You know, the kind of person who sees an issue and your brain just immediately starts thinking of ways to fix it. Are you tech savvy? Not an expert, but just comfortable and curious about new apps. You've also got to be adaptable, able to learn things on the fly. And this one's critical. You have to be a self-starter, someone who takes action without waiting for instructions. And finally, English. You don't need to be perfectly fluent, but you do need to be able to communicate clearly. Okay, so let's say that all sounds like you. What would you actually be doing all day? Let's get a clearer picture of what the day-to-day tasks look like. Now, every client's going to be a little different, of course, but your work will probably fall into these 4 big buckets. You've got your admin tasks, think email, calendars, booking travel. You'll likely be doing a lot with data and documents like research and managing spreadsheets. You might do some customer support through email and chat, and you could even get into marketing and sales, maybe managing social media or updating a sales system. And this quote from the source just nails it. It basically translates to, sometimes we end up working on the things we're passionate about. And that's the cool part about this job. If you love creating content, for example, you might end up running social media for your client. The work can really align with what you actually enjoy doing. All right, here we go. This is the part you've been waiting for. You think you're a fit, you like the sound of the job, so how do you actually get it? Let's break down the game plan from the source for the application and the interview. So the application itself is pretty straightforward. You find the link, upload your resume, fill out your info. But here's the pro tip from the source, and this is important. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Even if you've never officially been a VA, change your title to virtual assistant. It just signals to the recruiters that this is the path you're serious about. Okay, now for the interview. The guide we're looking at suggests a very specific and, well, let's just say unconventional strategy. And it's important for us to be clear that this advice comes directly from the source we're analyzing. This quote is the entire core of the strategy. It translates to, you need to be a yes man. Just keep saying yes. Always say what the interviewer wants to hear. The whole idea is to just be the most agreeable, can-do candidate they speak to. So what does that look like in reality? The source gives these examples. They ask if you can work the night shift. The answer is yes. They ask about your internet. You have multiple connections and a backup. You have another job. You can resign and start right away. The source calls these white lies. Now, the reason behind this strategy, according to the source, isn't about being dishonest for the sake of it. It's purely strategic. The goal is to get past all the interview questions and actually secure a job offer. Then, once you have that offer in hand, that's when you can sit back and really decide if it's the right move for you. And that really brings us to our final question. When you step back and look at the big picture, is this direct-to-client model becoming the new blueprint for starting a real, global career, all from the comfort of your own home? It's definitely something to think about.